What's up, my friend? DK here. Welcome back to this playlist. Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about myEcon 2025 success stories and another person who we're going to be shouting out in this playlist, and that is my man, John. Now, fair warning, John has been in the game for a little bit and he's a very successful marketer. But of course, as always, what I do in these playlists, doesn't matter who we're talking about, I'm going to show you exactly what John is doing and how he is doing it and how he is getting the results that he is getting. So if you want more information about this playlist or you want to get to what you see right here on your screen, link in the description down below. I'm going to leave the playlist link down there so you can go through and see all the people on our team that are getting results, following what we teach and train, and showing you exactly what they're doing and how they're doing it and how you can do it too, my friend. Here's the most important thing you need to understand. Like, please really let this sink in when it comes to watching these myEcon success stories. Everyone starts at zero. It's up to you if you want to stay there. That's it. And I'll quote the late, great Jim Rohn, okay? If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll create an excuse. So the truth is, if you're going to sit there and create excuses as to why you can't get results, it simply means one thing. You don't want it bad enough. And that's the truth. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'm not going to lie to you. If you're going to give yourself excuses as to why you can't get results, it just means you don't want it bad enough. And therefore, you're going to come up with the excuses and give yourself a reason. Give yourself an out when if you wanted it bad enough, you'd figure it out. You'd find a way. Okay. So as of right now, the time of this video, John is a platinum, just about to be an infinity with myEcon. John got started a little over a month ago, and he's already off to the races and making some really awesome things happen in his business. So hopefully my video will be out of the way. You can see here on the myEcon website that John is currently a platinum, again, about to be a infinity probably in the next week or so. So let's go over and check out exactly what John is doing. Okay, so obviously John got started with our team. John plugged into our proven and documented system here, as a lot of other people have as well. But we're going to get right into the real meat and potatoes of it. Now, like I mentioned before, John has been marketing probably for, I don't know, maybe about 4 years now. So, when you look at John's YouTube channel here, you can see he's got 40,000 subscribers. Obviously, John is not new to marketing, but at the end of the day, you got to realize this, just like I told you, everyone starts at zero. Okay. John, 4 years ago, was a truck driver, literally driving trucks, didn't have an online business, started at zero. Okay. And then learned how to get out there and how to go market. So one of John's biggest assets that he has two big assets that he uses to promote his business. And again, I'm going to show you what he's doing and how he's doing it. Okay. So one of John's biggest assets is his YouTube channel, and specifically this playlist right here. How is he bringing people into myEcon? What specifically is he doing? Well, he has a playlist right here where he literally walks people through exactly what he's doing in his business. This video right here, this very first one, is an overview video where he goes over the myEcon business opportunity. It's a simple, straightforward video. He just walks people through. It's only 15 minutes long. He just walks people through the business opportunity. He walks people through our team training site. He walks people through what they get when they join him. It's very simple, very straightforward. And he walks you through it. And again, that is one of John's, one of his strengths in his videos. He's very straightforward. He's very direct. He's very sincere. And he just says, hey guys, this is what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Okay. And then the rest of this series, he literally just says, day one, this is how I'm doing what I'm doing. Day two, this is exactly what I'm doing and how I did it. Day three, day four, day five, etc. He just walks you through his process. That's it. Again, guys, the stuff that we're showing you in this playlist here is not rocket science. These people aren't reinventing any wheels. They're not doing any crazy marketing methods. They're not spending hundreds or thousands of dollars on paid advertising. It's none of that. It's none of that crazy stuff that you might be thinking where these people are going and doing stuff that you're not familiar with. This is very straightforward stuff. Like all of these videos here, he's just on camera saying, "Hey guys, this is what I'm using. This is how I'm doing it to go get those results." And that's exactly what we're talking about here. So number one thing that John is doing right now to build his business is YouTube. Okay. So that's one of John's biggest assets right there. Okay. Now, the other thing that John is doing, okay, and again, these two work together, and I'm going to show you how this is possible here, okay? The other thing that John does is John has a Facebook group. So he invites people for free to get into his Facebook group, and then he literally just posts in his Facebook group, mindset, motivation, what he's working on, that type of thing. He posts that stuff in his Facebook group and shows you exactly what he's doing. And again, how he's doing it. What does he do? He toggles back and forth between his Facebook group and his YouTube channel. I'll show you a perfect example of what I'm talking about here. In his Facebook group, he literally posts just like this, where he says, "Hey, only 5 spots," and he talks about his business opportunity. This is everything that you get when you partner with our team. So he's literally referencing our team training site right here, all the value, the over $10,000 in value. And this is exactly what we teach inside of our team training site. So he has his videos over on YouTube, and he also points people to his Facebook group, and he literally talks about, you can see it right here, over $10,000 in free tools, systems, resources. Okay. He literally talks about that in his post. He also does this in his Facebook group. You can see how he's toggling back and forth. In his Facebook group, he's literally telling people to go to his YouTube channel and go watch his latest video, day number 5. And he also had all the other days in there as well. So he's posting in his Facebook group, "Hey, here's some social proof. Head on over to my YouTube channel. Go watch my most recent video." And you can see at the time of this video, it's February. He literally just posted this not too long ago. Okay. Go over to my YouTube channel and watch my latest video. Okay. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to understand. The methods that John's using are not complicated. So yeah, you could sit there and say, "Oh, he's got thousands of people in his Facebook group. He's got thousands of followers on his YouTube channel. That's why he's making sales." But the point is, you need to understand what he's doing and how he's doing it, okay? Because anybody could do this, whether it's me, it's you, it's John, it's anybody. Anybody could do what he is doing, okay? And you just have to go do it. So like I've shared in every other video in this playlist, talking about all these success stories with myEcon here in 2025, anybody could be doing this. Okay. So you could make excuses and say, "Oh, he's got a lot of followers." It's like, yeah, but guess what? 4 years ago when he started, he had 0 followers. 0. So do you want to stay at 0? Do you want to stay stuck? Do you want to stay right there where you are? Okay. Or do you want to figure out exactly what is working and what is working right now? So now, how does John, or how do you learn how to build a Facebook group and do it just like John is doing it? Well, again, like I've shared in many other videos, you want to learn how to build a Facebook group? You want to learn how to do it right? Cool. You get into our team. You go here to our team training site. I'm going to tell you exactly where to go. You're going to go into a platform called Social Mastery Blueprint. This is a $700 paid for course, okay, that we're going to give you absolutely free. This retails for $700. We're going to give you this course. Inside of this course, we teach people how to blow it up on Facebook, how to create a Facebook group from scratch, how to utilize it, how to post in it, what to post in it. We show you how to build a Facebook group. Simple, easy. Follow along, apply what you learn. That's it. Okay, so if you want to learn exactly how to build a group, just like John did, how to get thousands of people into a Facebook group, starting from scratch, just like John did, it's right here in our free course that we're going to give you. Okay, John's YouTube channel. How did John build a YouTube channel? Right here in our system. We're going to give it to you absolutely free. This is a $500 course that retails on the side. Okay, you can go pay for it if you want, or you could become part of myEcon with us on our team, and we're going to give you this course absolutely free. This is going to teach you, again, from scratch, how to build a YouTube channel. We're talking thumbnails, headlines, descriptions, recording your content, editing your content, uploading your content, everything you need to know about getting started and building a successful YouTube channel. Okay? It's all here. Again, you just have to go do it. That's it. Just go do it. Do the work. Just like John has done, just like all these other people here have done. Okay. Clint plugged in, learned how to use TikTok. Now he has over 45,000 followers. Okay. Shannon plugged in, learned how to use YouTube, learned how to use TikTok. Now she's doing it. Okay. Richard, same thing. Catherine, same thing. John, same thing. You could sit here and make all the excuses that all these people, they have followers, or guess what? Every single person in this playlist that I'm showing to you, every single one of them all started at ground zero. So you could keep leaning on that crutch, keep using that as an excuse, keep letting your excuses define you, or you could just do the damn work. I'm showing you what these people are doing and exactly how they're doing it. And you could do it all right here in our team training site. We're going to give you everything you need to find all the same levels of success, if not more, than all of the people that I'm sharing with you in these videos. So if you want results, do the work. End of story. There you go. There you have it. That is how John has ranked up to platinum, about to rank up to infinity, which means he's making weekly paychecks, big monthly paychecks, residuals, especially as an infinity, okay? Just like Catherine is. And these are all everyday people that plugged in and took action. So take the action or stop complaining. It's as simple as that. That's all I got. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching. If you need access to this playlist, link in the description down below. If you're ready to get started with myEcon, plug into our proven and documented system. That link is also in the description down below. If you need my full overview to learn how to get, or what we give you, all of the $11,000 in 100% free value that is involved with our team system, that link is also in the description down below. Thank you for watching, my friend. I greatly appreciate you being here. If you made it to this point in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. It really does help the channel, and it means a lot from me to you. I appreciate you. So I hope to see you on the next one. And more importantly, I hope you take action, and I hope to see you in our members area in just a few minutes. Take care.